Hi, welcome back. This is Beth Fitch. I am one of the founding members of Righi Fitch Law Group. This is part 3 in the series on COVID-19, the domino effect. The first part, I discussed cyber risk. The second part, I talked about employer risk. And today, I want to talk about the implications of COVID-19 in defending bodily injury cases. There's certainly been some implications. So I want to focus primarily on the uncooperative plaintiff. And what I mean by that is that we are seeing, as we always do, that plaintiffs claim that there are gaps in treatment. There's failure to follow through on the treatment prescribed, and they're blaming COVID-19. As usual, it's excuses, 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 but now they're using COVID-19 as an excuse. So what is a practical way to address these claims? Quite simply, what good lawyers do is ask good questions. And so the questions that you need to be asking yourself, whether it's pre-lit or post-lit, is number one, does the delay in treatment correspond to state executive orders that put limitations on healthcare workers, hospitalizations for elective surgeries, for elective care? Is this elective care? Or would it fall outside those restrictions? Looking at the hospitals and the treating physicians themselves, where they're refusing to treat for a period of time because of COVID restrictions. Looking at the vulnerability of the plaintiff, him or herself. So are they within a protected class, a vulnerable class? Were they elderly? Do they have an underlying condition? Is there anything that would prevent them from seeking out the care they need? It's also important to get an investigator involved. For a period of time, we had thought that surveillance and social media searches wouldn't be effective because people weren't getting out and about. But actually, those are very effective now because with the COVID-19 restrictions, what we're seeing, people may not be going away, but they are doing a lot more outdoor activities around the house themselves. And so that it's easier for surveillance and also for social media searches. So really encourage that. Look at cell phone discovery, very important to get that. Logistic data can be very helpful. The photographs themselves can be helpful. So if you collect all that data and put it in a chronological fashion, you have a great evidentiary base in order to defend these claims that COVID-19 prevented them from getting the treatment that they needed.